Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, Kelly. How are you today?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you.
Good. Okay, you're welcome to the lesson. Did you go out today?
Yes, I do. Yes,
I
I
did.
go. I did you. I did. Went to the Saigon City,
To where?
Ho Chi, Ho Chi Minh City.
Okay, what is happening there? Is it a park, a beach, a supermarket?
Um, they have a lake. And very building. Kiểu,
Okay, so, wow. Did you swim?
oh, yes, I do.
Nice one. So you had a lot of fun today, right?
Yes,
Okay, you're welcome once again. So tell me, what did you eat today?
I I I ate cheese and in the breakfast. I I eat a noodle in the lunch. I I, I eat a China um, a China food and in the dinner I get I have rice and fish.
Okay. That's great. So today I had soup and fish. Oh, sorry, in the morning I took bread and tea. This afternoon I took soup. So here is still afternoon. All right, so how is the weather like in your town now? How is the weather like in your area? How is the
Uh,
weather?
it it is summer. It is sunny.
Sunny. Okay, here
Yes,
is right now it's sunny, but in the morning it was just cool, cloudy because it rained yesterday night. So everywhere was just cool, but now it's sunny. The weather is sunny right now.
yes,
Okay, you're welcome. I hope you're enjoying your holiday, right?
yes.
Good. All right, so today we're going to start here. You listen. Can you use your pen?
Uh, yes,
Good. So you listen, then draw the line to the right picture. From the name to the right picture. Are you ready?
yes.
Okay.
Movers. Practice 4. Listening. A. Listen and draw lines. 1,
Were you at the beach yesterday, Jane?
No, I wasn't, Aunt Sally. It was rainy.
Where were you?
I was at the department store with my friends. Here's a picture.
Let's see. Where's your friend Mary?
There. She was at the toy store.
2,
Who's that in front of the bookstore?
Oh, that's Charlie. He's a friend from school.
What was in his bag?
There were some magazines and a dictionary.
Great.
3,
Lily wasn't well. She was sick.
Oh, no. Was she at the pharmacy?
Yes, she was.
What is the matter with her?
She has a cold.
4,
And who's that? The boy in front of the flower shop.
That's Peter. It was his mom's birthday yesterday.
Were there any nice flowers there?
Yes, there were. There were some nice pink ones.
Mhm. Okay.
page 90.
Nice one. You got the answers. Okay, so tell me, have you been to the flower market in Vietnam?
Yes.
So tell me, how is it? How does it look like? Is it a nice place to visit?
Mm, uh, no. In Ho Chi Minh City, not a visit.
I
Uh,
mean, you said, have you been to the flower market before in Vietnam?
yes.
Okay, so tell me, how does it look like? How does the place look like? Is it
Uh, the
beautiful? Is it fine? How does it look like?
is very beautiful. It have uh, it
It
have
has.
color. Excuse me.
Okay. Okay, so did you buy any flower there when you went there? Did you buy any flower?
Mm, no, I don't. My mother
No, I
buy.
didn't. Didn't.
No, didn't.
Okay. But your mom bought, right?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. Okay. I've heard so much about the flower market in Vietnam. That's why I asked. Okay.
Excuse me.
What did you say?
You can try again.
Try again. Sorry. What did you say? I don't understand.
Say again.
Okay, I said that I have heard a lot about flower market. Should I write
Yes.
it? Let me. I said I have heard a lot about flower market in Vietnam. Do you see that? I've heard a lot about flower market in Vietnam. That's what
Uh,
I said. Yes. Okay.
that's right.
Okay, so B, I want you to tell the differences between the four pictures, number one, number two, and number three. So let's start with number one.
Uh, it, the
Which one is
the
different?
the picture C is different because the picture A is in the beach. Picture B is in the aquarium, and picture D in the museum park. But the picture C is a pole
Okay, so why is it different?
because the picture C is pole.
It's a pole, good. And let's look at number two. Which one is
Um,
different?
the difference is picture C because picture A, picture B, and picture D is a magazine, and above both the picture C is a kite.
No.
Uh, detail
Scissors.
scissors.
Scissors. Yes. Picture C is scissors. Then other ones are books. Okay. Then number three, what is the difference?
Mm, the picture B is different because the picture A, picture C, and picture D is a phone, a, a laptop and a TV, but the picture B is a poster.
A what?
The but the picture B is different because the picture B is a
Poster.
poster.
Okay, that's good. Nice one. Okay, so look at the picture and read the story. Write some words to complete the sentence about the story. You can use 1 to 3 words to answer. You can use more than one word to answer. So tell me, what can you see in the picture? What can you see?
Yes, I can.
What can you see in the picture? Tell me what you can see here.
Uh, I I can see a camera or TV, uh, a that computer, and a a cloud
Okay.
go
Calculator.
computer.
Calculator. Can you say that?
Yes, calculator.
Good. Okay, so read, then we answer. Read.
Uh, what? Uh,
I want you to read. Read this. Read this passage.
uh okay. In in 1920 in um in 1920 there were there weren't and
The
digi
weren't. The
there were
weren't.
there weren't digital cameras. The camera are big. Mm,
No, no.
they were
Listen, the
cam, cam
cameras were bigger, were, not are.
the camera were bigger. They were so, solar solar too.
They were
They
smaller.
they were
Okay,
smaller
sorry,
so
sorry,
it
sorry. That's a mistake.
so,
Sorry. They were slower, slower, sorry.
slower. In 1915 55
55.
55 they they were they were TVs but they were smaller. The pictures were in the black and white. They,
Okay.
they were calculated in 1916. But they, they were bigger and heavier. They, they are easier, easier,
Easier, easier
easier, easier to use to, yeah,
to use today. To use
to
today.
use to use today. They were a short, a short computers in 1916, but they
69.
59,
Good.
uh, um, but but they were bigger and noisier.
Good. Noisier. So let me read again. So listen carefully. In 1920, there weren't any digital cameras. Cameras were bigger. They were slower too. In 1955, there were TVs, but they were smaller. The pictures were in black and white. There were calculators in 1960, but they were bigger and heavier. They are easier to use today. They are easier to use today. There were also computers in 1960, but they were bigger and noisier. Okay, good. So can you read again? Can you try reading again?
Yes. In 1912,
20.
1920s, there were there weren't any digital cameras. Cameras were bigger. They are slow.
Where
So
they were.
they were slower too. In 1955, they were TVs, but they, they were smaller. The picture the picture was in the picture were in black and white. There were calculators in 1916, but they were bigger and heavier. They are easy to they are easy to uh,
Easier.
they are
Easier.
easier to use today. They were a close a close computers in 1916, but they were bigger and noisier.
Okay, you tried. Nice one. So you made a mistake somewhere. You said 1916. 1960, not 16. 1960.
1960.
Good. Then another one you say, also, there were
All
also,
they were
all
also
good. Then another one again is bigger and noisier. Bigger and noisier.
bigger and noisier.
Good. Okay, so let's answer the question. Number one, example in the 1920s, cameras dash were bigger and slower. So the answer is cameras. Then number two, we have TVs were dash in 1955 and the pictures were in black and white.
Uh, TV was smaller in 1955, and were the picture was in black and white.
Good, were in black and white. Okay. Then number three.
A calculator uh, were were uh, were figures and behaviors and pick on and and they weren't easy to use.
Good.
For for the the actual across computers in 1916 were, uh, were bigger and heavier.
Good. You say the calculators. Calculators.
Calculators.
Good. Nice one. You got the answers correct. Okay, so the next one we have is read the test, choose the right words, and write them on the line. Okay, so look at it here. So look at the picture. Tell me, where do you think they are? Where are they?
Uh, they they are in a beach.
On a beach. Okay, nice one. So let's answer the word. You choose the answer from here. Number one, we have where, was, is. She, you, we. So you choose the answer from this. Number one, can you read?
Yes, I do. Yesterday I was I were at the beach with my cousin Jim and Sally. It was good. Good. Um, we we love swimming in the sea. It's rainy and windy.
Mm. Mm.
Uh,
You say we love swimming. No. Look at the picture. You can see it's only one person that is swimming. So you say she loves.
sea. She
Okay.
loves
Oh, oh,
swimming.
oh, oh. Hold on. Hold on. I think you're right. Do you know why? The love here is LOVE. So that is plural. So the subject should be plural. Okay, so you got the answer. The answer is we. Okay,
Okay.
good. The reason is, had it been the love here is LOVS, you can now say she loves swimming. The answer will now be she. Singular subject, singular verb. But now the love here is LOVE, so is we. You got the answer, okay? Is we.
Yes.
All right. Then number three.
And windy on Fridays, but yesterday it was sunny and hot. They
Okay.
were restaurants, coffee shops, uh, a- any big hotels, and an aquarium. They was an amusement park too.
Okay.
This
So
was fun.
number four, you failed it. It's not any, but a. It says there were restaurants, coffee shops, a big hotels, and
A,
an aquarium. Okay? A big hotels and an aquarium.
a big hotel and an aquarium.
Good. Okay, so nice one. You tried, Kelly. You did amazing today. So this is going to be the end of your lesson today. Do you have any question?
No, I don't.
Okay, it's so good to have you. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher. See you again.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Okay.